Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be going over the 7 benefits of drinking lemon water. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So, lemon water. I love lemon water. I think it just gives water like an extra little kick, a little bit of a little bit more like flavor and citrus and just nice and fresh. And especially if you're somebody who likes citrus or, maybe has a harder time just drinking plain water all the time, that's definitely a nice little tip to kind of add a little bit of flavor. But there's also a ton of other benefits to drinking lemon water, and that's what I'm going to go over here today. But if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my chia lemon water recipe. I'll make sure to link it up right here. That's super, super good. You can make that with normal water, with coconut water. You basically just add some lemon, some honey for a little bit of sweetener, some chia seeds. It's really, really good. So lemon water seems like it's become the new thing. Everyone's ordering it in restaurants. They might even just give it to you in the restaurant. Some people, start their day with lemon water instead of coffee or tea or something like that. But we all know there are both benefits to having lemon in your diet and having water. So what happens when you mix the two together? So the first benefit is going to be promoting hydration. Now, if you haven't seen them already, I definitely have a couple videos on hydration here on my channel. I can definitely make sure to link that up above so you can check those out. So of course, we all need water for hydration, right? Some people need more than others. That's kind of like what I go over in my other video. But like I said, lemon water can actually help enhance the flavor of water, so it can make you drink more of it or make it a little bit more easier with some extra flavor. Number 2 is lemon water is a good source, of course, of vitamin C. So citrus fruits, like lemon for example, are going to be very high in vitamin C. So vitamin C is an antioxidant, and what the antioxidant does is it's going to protect your cells from damaging free radicals. According to the USDA, or the United States Department of Agriculture, just juice from one lemon is going to give you about 18.6 milligrams of vitamin C. Number 3 is that it helps support weight loss. Research shows that polyphenol antioxidants actually reduced weight gain in mice. And these are the same antioxidants that are found in lemons. These antioxidant compounds actually also improved glucose levels and insulin resistance, which are 2 major factors in type 2 diabetes. So now it's unclear if it's just that, it's the lemon juice that's doing this, or if it's just you drinking more water, or what the case may be. Now, am I saying, if you just have lemon water, you're not going to have any other issues, you're perfectly fine, everything is peachy? No, but it definitely can help. Number 4 is that it can improve the quality of your skin. And don't forget, your skin is your biggest organ. So vitamin C, as you know, can actually reduce skin wrinkling. And why just put it on topically on your skin when you can actually ingest it and, do all of that from within? It also helps your skin from aging and damage with the sun. And with water too, if your skin, is losing moisture, it's not hydrated, then you're more prone to wrinkles. It's dried out and all that kind of stuff. Number 5 is that lemon water aids in digestion. So some people, like I said, start their morning right away with lemon water. Whether it's hot or cold, doesn't matter. They kind of do this, not like a laxative. I don't know if that's like the right term, but essentially that's one of the reasons people decide to drink that in the morning. It's just a way to coat everything and try to prevent constipation. It just kind of gets your digestive system moving. Like I said, it can be hot or cold. Number 6 is that it freshens your breath. So have you ever heard people say, when you're preparing a meal or when you're cooking and you have like a garlicky or oniony smell to your hands, that you just kind of rub lemon on it and it'll go away? Well, the same kind of applies for your mouth. So if you eat foods with strong smells like that, like fish, garlic, onion, then that would help if you eat something citrusy to kind of get rid of those odors. So bad breath is caused by bacteria, right? So am I saying don't brush your teeth and just drink lemon water? No, please brush your teeth. But if you wake up first thing in the morning and you have some lemon water, or you're drinking that while you're eating, really odorous types of foods, dry mouth can also, cause like some bacteria. So if you are moisturizing your mouth, you don't have a dry mouth, and you're having, something citrus or lemony, like more sour, it's just going to stimulate some more saliva and coat your mouth and just freshen your breath. And number 7 is that it helps to prevent kidney stones. Now this is due to the citric acid that is found in lemons. So citric is a component of citric acid. It makes your urine less acidic and can even break up small stones. So there's different ways to make lemon water And to get all the benefits of lemon water, you have to be drinking it, consistently. Like, that's what you're drinking, and not just, a giant glass of water and like one one little lemon wedge. You definitely need to be using fresh lemons too. Don't use anything artificial or weird juices and flavorings that aren't a real lemon. You want to squeeze at least half of a lemon to a typical like 8-ounce jar or glass of water. Now, of course, filtered water and organic lemons are best, but let's just keep it to at least, a glass of water with real lemon. Now, you can always, like I've talked about in other videos, infuse your water. So if you don't want just lemon, go right ahead and add some other herbs and things like that to create different flavors. So you can use things like mint to have like a lemon or minty flavor, or like I said, in the lemon chia water, I use some honey to sweeten it up a bit. Go ahead and use ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, whatever kind of herbs or spices you want to use to kind of spruce it up and change the flavor profile. And don't just stop at lemons. Maybe you want to add some lime slices or cucumber, make it really fresh, or even some orange slices to make it like a whole nice citrusy drink. It's really, really good. Or like I've mentioned in other videos, infusing waters, with fruit, like I mentioned, like the little ice cubes. Go ahead and instead, how about you squeeze some lemon juice into your ice cube tray and just literally freeze the lemon juice and just add that to your water that way. So whether you're looking to get other health benefits from drinking lemon water, or you're just looking for other ways to stay hydrated with some flavor, you came to the right spot. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video would really help me a lot. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.